Have you found Jesus? Have you found Jesus?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you support a Republican for president? Would you support a Democrat for president?
Papa, are you going to get the door?
Yeah. Would you like to buy some Boy Scout popcorn?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Yay, Ephraim! Do you need to get that door? No? Why not? Ephraim, get the door. Ephraim, go get the door. Can you get the door for Mommy? Oh, thank you. Oh no, open it. Yeah, good job, Ephraim. Yeah.
Did you order a pizza?
Yeah.
Okay, here's your pizza.
Ephraim, open the door.
Would you like to buy some magazines? Oh, okay. Magazines is what did it.
Ephraim!